Rob, let's talk about IDEA.
So IDEA is the International District Energy Association. We were formed in 1909, so we're now starting our 110th year of operation. We're a nonprofit trade association. We have about 2,400 members in 26 countries. The majority are in North America, the U.S. and Canada. So these are people, organizations, companies, institutions that own and operate district energy systems. So they provide steam or hot water, chilled water, and very often cogeneration, combined heat and power. So they have thermal networks. They deliver heating and cooling to buildings connected on their thermal grid. In cities, college and university campuses, healthcare, airports, military bases, even clusters, research clusters. And the industry's growing. Last year, we recorded nearly 52 million square feet added in North America of customer space, adding, connecting to district energy systems. And since 1990, we're now above 2 billion square feet added to our systems. So the industry is really, moving forward.
And how are district energy systems spread all over the US?
So in the U.S., currently we have over 900 operating systems. There's actually more than that, but in terms of the district energy scale, we have data on about 900, and they're in all 50 states, clustered a little bit in the Northeast, the Mid-Atlantic, so Pennsylvania, Maryland, and then New England, and then quite a bit in Texas, California, and the upper Midwest, so Minnesota, Illinois, really everywhere. And where district energy is really quite prevalent is on college and university campuses. So instead of every building having a boiler and chiller and cooling tower and all the equipment, et cetera, they have a central plant and a thermal network, so they have economies of scale. And really, we've seen combined heat and power, cogeneration, really ramp up at our colleges and universities, because very often they're doing a lot of research, so they're mission critical, as well as trying to achieve carbon reduction and efficiency and savings. So CHP is really a sweet spot, within the district energy industry. And the other point too is, with a district energy network, right? You're combining the heating requirements of dozens of buildings or hundreds of buildings. So now you have this thermal appetite. You've aggregated, the heating requirements, and now so that gives you scale to make combined heat and power cogeneration investment and make it work for dozens of buildings with one investment.